Hi friends, Saurav here. Welcome back to my channel. So today, actually, this is not a tutorial. I'm not going to teach you anything today. This is just an introduction to the application what I have created. So this application will be, will be giving us a place where we can talk and we can, clear our doubts and all the things. So this is the application I have created. Here you can get all the things whatever I have taught you till today. So you will get all the codes, all the theoretical part, all the points, all the writings. You can get it from here. All right, so this is the link of this application I'll give you in description below. All right, so don't worry about that. I'll give you the link. I'll explain you about the application and I'll just show you a short information about the application, how you can navigate with the application and how you can get benefited with the application. I'll explain you everything. Just use this application and let me know your feedback and your suggestion and your ideas. All right, so let's start that. Okay, so for starting the video, you have to log into the application first. So for you, actually, you have to log in with the guest user, actually, because you don't have any user and password. So just click on this guest user button. Click on this. I'm clicking on. So after clicking on this guest user, you will get into the application. So this is what application is. Okay, you have two pans here. This is one is left side pan, this one, and other one is this right side pan, this one. Okay, so let me expand both the pans first. So here I have expanded. Okay, so but let me show you the home page first. Okay, so here you have some little couple of motivational pictures. Just you can read it with your in your free time. So let's get down. Here we have two dashboards. You will get to know that how many of the PL/SQL tutorial or videos has been uploaded till today. Okay, so as you can see, we have made 24 PL/SQL videos and 53 SQL videos actually. So this is a dashboard. You will get to know how many videos has been made on SQL or PL/SQL topic, and later on when we will start learning about HTML and JavaScript and other things, we will keep adding all those things here actually. Okay, and then again come down. Here we have let me collapse it. So here we have two things. Currently we have PL/SQL examples and then SQL examples. So when I'll click on this play button, click on it, this region will get expanded and you will get all the topics whatever we have learned in our YouTube videos. You will get all the things here, all the topics whatever we have learned in PL/SQL. So what you can do, you can search it by topic as well. Suppose I'm going to search it here, if. So when I'll write here if, I'll get all the if tutorial here. Okay, so what you can do, just click on this button, click on this get notes, and you will get a place something like this where you will get all the notes of if thing. What happened, my net is, I think it is a little bit slow. Yeah, so here you'll get whatever I have explained in YouTube video. You will get everything here actually. You can copy this thing and paste it in your system, and you can start practicing with yourself. Okay, whatever I have explained, you can get everything here. All right, so let's clear the search bar. So when you'll clear it, you will get all the topics. So whatever you want to learn, suppose for loop in Oracle, so just click on this this thing and you will get all the things whatever I have explained in for loop. In our YouTube video, you will get everything here actually. All right, so this is how we can get the writings and we can get the codes. Now let me collapse it. In the same way we have SQL thing actually. So whatever we have learned, you can get from here. All the SQL introduction and DDL, DML commands and everything you can get from here. Meanwhile, you can you can read this in your mobile phone as well. No problem about that. Suppose you are in you are traveling somewhere and you want to learn something, so you can learn everything in your mobile phone. Just click on this thing and start learning about the distinct keyword and everything whatever you want to learn. Okay, so this is what our main section is. Okay, and let me show you the left side first. So when you click on this SQL tutorial, let's click on this. When you click on this SQL tutorial, you will reach to this place. So here you can get all the videos, whatever I have made in YouTube. You will get everything here actually. Let's see. Let's take, what is this, delete versus truncate. So let me click on this. When I'll click on this, I'll immediately reach to this as YouTube tutorial. So from here you can watch YouTube as well. Okay, so now let's come back. Okay, so you can learn anything. You can watch video for any of the topic. B-tree index, click on this B-tree. You will get redirected here on this YouTube tutorial, and you can watch the tutorial from here. Okay, now let me get back to the application. So this is what our SQL tutorial is. Let's come to PL/SQL tutorial. Jump here, click on this. So in the same way, you can get all the PL/SQL tutorial, whatever we have learned. You can get everything. So today, as you know that today I have explained about cursor, so you'll just get everything here actually. Okay, so we have another thing as discussion. Okay, so when I click on this discussion, you will have something like this, where you can write, if you have any confusion, you can write just the subject, what the confusion is, and write the thing in this descriptive way, in brief, and then submit it. Your confusion will get submitted here, and whoever will logged in, if I am logged in, I'll reply you back, or any other member of your smart code will be logged in, he will reply you back. Or if you are logged in, you have seen that any of the confusion is belonging to some people, and you have solution of that confusion, you can reply back to that confusion actually. Okay, so this is how we can discuss all the confusion and everything here. Okay, now let's close this fan. Here I have given a small channel intro actually. You can say this as well, no problem. I have this is my introduction and the channel introduction. And just to get back to the home. So this is what our left pan is. Here we have this SQL tutorial, PL/SQL tutorial, discussion, channel intro, everything. Okay, if you want to know about me, who am I, you can get it from here, about me. If you want to connect to my Facebook account, you can connect from here. If you want to connect to my Instagram account, you can connect from here. If you want to go to my YouTube channel directly, you can go from here. If you want to send me a mail personally, you can send mail from here actually. Just click on this send mail, write your first name, your last name, your email ID, and then message, whatever you wanna give. Okay, so actually I want your ideas, what you want to learn from me, or what improvement you want in this application or my video, whatever you want to write, you can write from here actually. I want your feedback, your suggestion, everything is welcome actually. So you can write everything, no problem. I want your suggestion, your feedback, your help. So that is what this mailbox do. So you can send me mail, send me personal mail from here, and there is a sign up box. You can do sign up, you can be a member of this your smart code group. Just do sign up from here. You have to write your first name, last name, email ID, phone number is optional, no need to give your phone number if you don't want to give, and I recommend that don't give phone number, no problem. So just give your first name, last name, email ID, reason of joining, your interest, and who you are professional or you are a student, or others you can write if you don't want to say anything, and then submit it. You will get submitted with your smart code. You will become member of your smart code, and next time that's the thing actually. So that's it. That is like you can sign up from here. Okay, so that is what actually, this is an introduction to this application. Please use this application and give me your feedback, your suggestion, your ideas. All right, so yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Thank you very much.